Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we have something truly special for all you Halloween enthusiasts out there. Get ready to indulge in the spooktacular charm of the best cat pumpkin sweater on the market. Introducing the BOUTIKOME Women's Halloween Cat Pumpkin Cardigan. This bewitching garment is more than just a sweater. It's a statement piece that exudes style, comfort, and a dash of Halloween magic. Crafted from a blend of super soft cotton and polyester, this cardigan ensures both warmth and elegance. Its open front design and long sleeves make it perfect for layering over your favorite outfit during the chilly autumn evenings. But what sets this cardigan apart is its eye-catching design. Adorned with playful cat and pumpkin prints, this sweater is a must-have for anyone looking to stand out during the spooky season. Whether you're attending a Halloween party or simply embracing the spirit of the holiday, this cardigan is sure to turn heads wherever you go. But wait, there's more. Not only is this cardigan stylish, but it's also incredibly versatile. Pair it with jeans for a casual look, or dress it up with a skirt for a more chic ensemble. The options are endless. So, if you're ready to elevate your Halloween wardrobe with the best cat pumpkin sweater around, look no further than the BOUTIKOME Women's Halloween Cat Pumpkin Cardigan. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below letting us know what products you'd like us to review next. Until next time, happy shopping!